Hi, I'm Jill Swan from Spoontown, the largest gathering of spoon carvers in the south of England. I wanted to talk to you about my spoon carving journey. It began back in 2002 when my son was small and I was stuck indoors a lot. I was looking for something to make that I could pack away quickly if he woke up and not be left with wet paint or sewing machines out. And I discovered spoon carving. I was completely smitten in a matter of weeks, and it became an ambition of mine to meet other spoon carvers and enjoy it as a group activity, which I do and have done for years. And finally I can share it with you guys because we've started a festival and it's in Kent and it's going to be great, and I hope that you can join us this year. If you check out the website www.spoontown.co.uk, see if you want to come along. Thank you.